come in, sir?
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Ananta Lakshmi, sir.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Srinu, sir.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Chinari, sir.
Do you have any sibling?
I have one sibling, sir. His name is Narsimha, sir.
Do you bring any certificates?
Yes, sir. This is my resume, sir. These are my certificates, sir.
Then Lakshmi,
Thank you, sir.
I want to ask some science and technology questions for this job.
Sure, sir.
Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
Oxygen, sir.
What is the smallest unit of life?
Cell, sir.
Which organ pumps blood?
Heart, sir.
How many bones are in adult human body?
206, sir.
Which force pulls things downward?
Gravity, sir.
Which part of the body controls all other organs?
Brain, sir.
What is chlorophyll?
Chlorophyll is green color pigment in leaves, sir.
Which blood cells fight infections?
White blood cells, sir.
Who discovered the telephone?
Graham Bell, sir.
Which gas helps fire burn?
Oxygen, sir.
What is the chemical formula of water?
H2O, sir.
Which instrument helps you see tiny objects?
Microscope, sir.
Which animal can live both on land and in water? Give one example.
Frog, sir.
Which nutrient helps in body growth?
Protein, sir.
Which organ removes waste from blood?
Kidneys, sir.
What do we call the movement of Earth around the sun?
Revolution, sir.
What is the smallest bone in the human body?
Stapes in ear, sir.
What is the largest bone in the human body?
Femur, sir.
Who is the father of Indian space program?
Vikram Sarabhai, sir.
Where is the headquarters of ISRO located?
It located in Bangalore in Karnataka, sir.
Congrats, Anant Lakshmi.
Thank
You
you,
are
sir.
selected.
Thank you, sir.